guys, so I'm finally back from work. It's about 7:30 now, so I'm gonna change now quickly and then show you my work night routine. So yeah, and if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. But for now, I'm gonna change out of my work dress that I've got on and just get into some nice comfy clothes. So this is what I wear on most winter nights because it is comfy. I know it's very daggy, but I just want to be comfortable. And yeah, this is what you'll see me lounging around in. Yeah. Okay, so now onto my skincare. So I would usually do my skincare routine in the shower, but obviously for the purpose of this video, I can't do that. So I'm just going to show you my skincare routine now. So I've got makeup on and I'm going to remove this first. So I'm just going to dampen my face a little. Alrighty, so now that my face is damp, you can see like the mascara is all running down. I'm going to take my QV. This is just a gentle face cleanser. I use this to remove my makeup first time round. And we are going to lather this up. I like doing a double cleanse because it just gets rid of the makeup really nicely. And especially like when you're in the shower, like your makeup comes off completely. So that's why I like having it in the shower, and then your pores also like, you know, open up as well. That should do. Alrighty, so we've got majority of our makeup off. Now what I'm gonna do, oh my god, I've got a spill here, damn it. Silly me, this is what happens when you wash your face over a sink. Anyways, we're gonna continue. So now I'm gonna use my Roche-Posay facial cleanser. It's the Colerain Gel Moussant Purifying Gel for oily sensitive skin. So this is what I'm going to use. This is what I've been using for like 2 years now and I love it. Just took a little pea-sized amount and just massaging that. So that's all done. I'm just going to wash my face again. And we are good except for my shirt. So now that my face has been double cleansed, I'm just going to go wipe it and dry it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my toner. So I've got my La Roche-Posay toner, of course, which is the Cera Zinc toner. I'm just going to spritz this all over my face. And I'm just going to let this dry a little. Okay, now that that's all dry, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer, which is the La Roche-Posay Colerain Ultra Light Moisturizer. It's almost finished. I need to get another bottle. So we'll get like 2 spritz of that. And I'm just going to massage this all over my face. And that is it for my skincare. So that was super easy. It doesn't even take that long because I usually do it in the shower. Hello guys, so now that that's all done, we're gonna just go in the kitchen and start making some food. That shouldn't take too long because I already know what I want to have and it literally takes like 10 minutes to make. And by the way, I hope you guys are enjoying this raw real version video. So yeah, this is really what I do when I come home from work. So let's go on to make some food now because I'm starving. I'm in a bit of a rush because I'm really hungry and I didn't make any dinner the night before. I'm literally gonna put like 2 ingredients together and it's actually a vegetarian dish. So what it is, it's sweet potato with corn. I'm gonna put the sweet potato in the microwave. It's like a little trick to get the sweet potato cooked faster instead of putting it in the oven, basically baked with just sweet corn inside of it. So that's my dinner. I'm gonna show you how I make it. And I'm just gonna quickly eat that because I'm starving and this literally takes me like 10 minutes to make. So let's get started. Alrighty, so these are 2 ingredients that I've got. So as I said, the sweet potato and some corn. And for those of you who don't know, I am Indian, so I have this masala tin tray thing with all these spices in here. So that's what I'm gonna use to add to the sweet potato. So Lego. Alrighty, so I've got my sweet potato here and I literally have a plastic bag. What I'm going to do is just put the sweet potato in the plastic bag, tie a knot and just like leave a little bit of room for the sweet potato to like breathe in there. And then we're going to make some holes in the plastic bag just with a knife and put that in the microwave for 3 minutes and then switch it around and then put it for another 3 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, so I'm just going to take my sweet potato and we're going to put this in the microwave. Just like so. And I'm going to put this in for 3 minutes. Alrighty, it's done. So that's what it looks like. But what we're going to do, we're going to just flip it around and just put it on this side. If you have a feel of it, you can usually tell if it's being cooked or not. So this needs a little bit more time because it's still really hard. So that's what I'm going to do. Just leave it in there for another 3 more minutes. Alrighty, let's check on this bad boy. Yep, that looks very... Ooh, that's so hot. Just be careful. And it looks like it's done because it's really, really soft, and that's when you know it's being cooked all the way through. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to pull this out. Be careful, it is really hot. Alrighty, so we're just going to carefully open this up. So what we're going to do, we're going to just cut the sweet potato in half. And open it like so, and there we have all the goodness. And what I like doing is just making like little cuts in there, so it's easy to break apart when we're eating. And then on this side as well. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add in some salt, so we can do that. I'm going to add some chili powder and just some pepper. We're basically done with the sweet potato. I'm just waiting on the corn now. We're just gonna add the corn here, and yeah, then we are basically done. This tastes amazing, by the way. We've got our corn here. This is how much corn I usually have. So you just put the frozen corn in the microwave for about 4 minutes, and then you take that out, and then we're gonna add these spices. So what I've got here, let's go with this. This is Garam Masala. So this is like a mixed Indian spice. I'm not too sure what exactly is in there, but it tastes really good. So we're going to sprinkle all of this around. I think I might take a bit more. So like that much. Next, taking the salt. Just taking a little bit of salt, putting that in there. I'm going to take some red chilies, maybe that much. So I'm going to put that in there. What else is there? I think that's all I put. Yep, so that's it for the spices. Next, I'm just going to add some butter and some lemon juice. Alrighty, so I've added that much of butter from there, and I'm going to add in some lemon juice. I think that should be enough. So I've just transferred it to a plate, and the corn is all nicely all mixed and ready. What we're going to do, just basically taking a scoop, and you just literally like put it all in here. And like it just tastes so amazing. Like I love it. I know it's so simple and it looks like very boring and, you know, lazy people food, but the flavors are amazing. Like I've added all the spices in and it tastes really good. So that's gonna be my dinner. Can't wait to dig into this. Lego.
Stay focused and positive the whole way.
Good. Nicole?
Oh, look, it's tough to think that someone's going to be going home today, but I'm just really excited to see who's going to walk through those doors. And
Hi guys, oh my god, this is such a weird angle, but I am finally done with dinner. It was so yummy. Hope you guys try it out and let me know if you guys find it yummy as well. So yeah, at the moment I'm just editing my what I drink in a day video. It's where I show you guys like healthy smoothie ideas. If you haven't checked that out, then do check it out. I'll link it down below as well for you guys. As you can tell, I'm really struggling to find a comfortable position to do this video. So I've been moving around and I'm still not comfortable. I think I might move in the next couple of minutes again. I thought I would get up. So I'm finally in bed now, and this is the time where I get to finally like chill and do whatever I want to. I don't know, I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. Like I should go to sleep early technically to like wake up early as well, but I really just want to put this vlog up and just start editing it straight away. There's not much else to this vlog. This is what I do on most nights. I tend to sleep by like 10 PM max and wake up early, as you guys know. So yeah, I'm just gonna write in my diary my to-do list for tomorrow, and that's basically it. Just chill, go to sleep early. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of video because I know it's very raw, it's very minimal, and it's very different to the other videos that I have done before. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these types of videos, if I should do more of them or if I shouldn't. And yeah, I think I will just close off my vlog for today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks guys.